Hi everyone, welcome to today's session of tips and tricks from Summit for Max. Sure, it's going to be an interesting one. For much more, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. Divisibility rules let you test if a number is divisible by another without having to do too much calculations. It is a shorthand way of determining whether a given integer is divisible by a divisor without actual division and just by examining its digits. Martin Gardner explained and popularized these rules in 1962. Let's get into the topic now. Divisibility by 2. Take any number and now note the last digit in the number. Check whether if it is divisible by 2. If yes, then the original number is divisible by 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 is divisible by 2. Divisibility test for 4. 4 is equal to 2 square. The exponent says that the last two digits of the given number is to be examined. If it is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. That is 186424 is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 8. 8 is equal to 2 cube. The exponent 3 says that if the last three digits of a given number is divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. Let's summarize what we have learned. Hope you understand. Now let us check divisibility by 3. We have a number here. Add together each digit of the number. Then take the sum and determine if it is divisible by 3. Then the original number is also divisible by 3. Here 49215 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 9. Take any number, sum up the digits, and if it is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. So 483318 is divisible by 9. Let's summarize what we have learnt. Isn't that interesting? Divisibility by 5 is easily determined by checking the last digit in the number and seeing if it is either 0 or 5. Then it is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 10. It's much more easier. Checking the last digit in the number, and if it is 0, then the entire number is divisible by 10. Let's summarize. Isn't that interesting? Now divisibility by 6. It can be determined if it is both even and divisible by 3. That is, sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Then the entire number is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7 is the most interesting part of today's session. It can be checked by doubling the last digit and subtracting it from the rest of the number, and the answer is 0 or divisible by 7, then the entire number is divisible by 7. It can be done repeatedly for bigger numbers. Hope the session was interesting. See you next week on Tips and Tricks. Thank you.